Well, London and Crusheen, in the old house and out in the land particularly, I forget that I was ever in London. And equally, when I leave Ireland, apart from leaving the cows and calves, which is painful sometimes, I forget that I was ever in Ireland. So they're two different worlds. I'm at home here. This is where I've been for most of my life. I came for a couple of weeks of summer holiday to make some money to go to Georgetown University in Washington. I got a job working in a brewery, and don't laugh, but my job was quality control. That meant that you had to taste the beer and, of course, spit it out again. But I didn't. I anticipated that there would be a huge audience for trad music if it was brought out of the local pubs, where maybe some non-Irish wouldn't feel that comfortable, given the sort of hostilities that were there. For every concert we put on, the children were always the focus of the evening, at the opening of the evening. And it was a huge incentive to both the children and parents to play the music and to get engaged with it. Greenwich is way out there. The Greenwich Theatre was the venue for us. Over here you had Acton Town Hall. Out there as well in that direction you had the town halls in Poplar Civic Theatre going out towards East London. But people did come, and there are thousands that came to them. I didn't create it. I was an agent, if you like. Tá aisteúil mo héal mar a bheadh sreohanna feasa iad ag tuile is ag trá ó bhlianta móige le agus mo thuacháin agus is fiúmanna an ceoil fitte fúte ionta go léir. Cuairdaíonn na sreohanna sin inis, fécant an bluise mé iad sna píosa ceoil ó casam timpeall is timpeall. Im a chuid móntóireachta I míam siar go héasca go dtí móige agus tuise mar rís an ceoil agus na hárán. Agus gohan in a gcósan ag caint go séimh is iad ag fágáil an tí.